Hi guys, welcome back to Crypto Mischief. Richie here, where I talk about my favorite thing in the entire world, cryptocurrency. That's right. Today we're talking about mid to low cap altcoins, volatile, but potentially 100x, 200x, 500x, 1000x coins all over the spectrum. We're talking AI, big data, carbon coins, predicting the carbon tax which are coming in the future, big tech, low tech, GameFi, all of these narratives, right? They all kick off once this bull run really gets going. And through Portfolio Masters is who we are talking about today. Portfolio Masters, right, is the company. They offer a service where they will go through the thousands and millions of coins that are now in the crypto market and find coins that they see have intrinsic value. Then they invest in them, they deep dive them, they gave us the information, we then choose which ones we want to buy, then we see when they buy them, we see when they sell them, and we follow or don't follow their advice, right? It's a great service, and we're going to go through how my process works with it, okay? Because although they are offering the research, you then have to do your own research to figure out if the coins are right for you, when to buy them, when to sell them, and I'm going to show my workflow for it, okay? Then at the end, if you are interested, they do have a bit of discount at the moment on their product. That's right. They have implemented a new referral system into Portfolio Masters. Actually, people have to use a checkout link to get in there, right? And then they will get 20% discount on their purchase for this. You buy an NFT, the NFT can give you months, or it can give you years, or it can give you lifetime access to this, right? That's how it all works. So we're going to get into it first. Let's first look at how to purchase this, and then afterwards I'm going to show you how I use it. And I'm going to give you, just as a little gift from me, I don't know if I'm supposed to do this, but they just put up a new pick, and I'm going to show you the workflow of how they present their new picks, and I'm going to actually purchase it, and I'm going to show you how I do that as well. So it's a little bit of insider info for you if you like that kind of thing. We are 27,889, still pushing and pushing to get up to that 28,000. It's going to happen. I'm sure it is. We just need an absolute banger of a crypto market to get there. Are we there yet? Not really. Right. So this is the crypto market. Then this is all crypto since it started. Now we can see, if we zoom in on recently, we have the old bull run. Oh, those were the days, weren't they? It was fantastic. Right? And pumping all the way up, right? To that a huge all-time crypto market cap of $2.7 trillion. And we almost matched that recently. Now, where are we in the crypto market, right? Let's look at this chart. We have the pump and then the drop and then the continuous bear market, right? Just like we had over here, right? The same thing. Now, you'll notice that the last bull market had a huge pump and then a drop off and then a massive pump, right? Are we there? I think we might be kind of in this kind of period right here. I think we are probably about this point, okay? We are very early. We're going to see the parabolic stage. It is coming. We have not seen it. So far, what have we seen in crypto? We've seen meme coin mayhem. We've seen a little bit of RWA, real world asset action, but not much. I haven't seen face melting gains. This isn't my first bull run. If it is your first bull run and you're kind of disappointed at what's happening, trust me, you have not seen anything yet. It's not started yet. The bull run is not actually happening yet. We're still, we're just matching the all-time high. Look what happens last time. We know we have the 2018 all-time high here, right? When did we match it? We matched it just here at this tiny peak here in 2021 was when it kind of kicked, right? That was the beginning of the bull run. We just got into the first stage. Now we have a whole year of face melting gains to get into. And the best way to do it would be, in my opinion, by making good choices with the tokens right now while we're on a down day. Down days, we did see some pretty good pumping from, oh wait, I didn't get my candies. You should always collect your candies from CoinGecko. I don't know what they're going to be used for, but I collect them every day. I've got 2,000 candies now, right? We saw some great pumping from Bitcoin earlier in the week, all the way up to 63, and now we've collapsed all the way back down to 60, right? So, that's what's going to happen. We are struggling, but that's because just the market is not ready yet. And alts are driving up and then just being pushed lower and lower. Some of my favorite altcoins are in such low positions. Like look at Phantom. Like this is such an awesome buy right now. And Polygon and Phantom, right? Phantom Chain and Polygon are just sitting in this same deja vu. It's like Groundhog Day, right? Around about the 70 cents now for Phantom. We're down at 25, so we have risen up from that lowly low, like 38 even back in February, right? But we did hit $1.10 and now we're down to 70 again, right? Polygon as well, underperforming. Every single altcoin that's not a stupid dog or cat with actual intrinsic value, right? They're all underperforming. What does that mean? That means we are primed to purchase the coins that we need, right? So Portfolio Master offers an NFT key. You can mint your NFT key here. I have a link in the description. It's going to bring you to this, right? What Portfolio Masters are offering right now is if you purchase one of their NFTs to unlock the Portfolio Master website with all their picks and their advice and their Discord channel and their voice chats and everything that they're doing, right? They've been doing it for about 6 months. They're fantastic. Can't speak highly enough about them. If you purchase one now with a referral link, I have one in the description. It's called Direct Referral Link with a link, right? That will then give you 20% off your purchase of the NFT. You can choose between 3 months for $179, 6 months for $299, 1 year for $499, or lifetime for $999 in USDT on Polygon chain. So for example, if you did want to purchase the 6-month plan, you want to try it out for 6 months and see if you can get into the bull run, the real bull run with massive gains, then you can come to the link. It will show you right here. You have lifetime, 365, 180, half a year. You click there, exclusive, 20% discount for Crypto Mischief community. That's what's happening. You come to next. You will then have to confirm your wallet and then pay the USDT with that wallet, right? And you need to pay the full USDT amount, which has gone down now from $299, right? With my 20% discount, is now down to $239. Or you can pay with Ethereum on Base Chain if you did want to as well. That once you click through to pay, you will then get the NFT. You can then come to Portfolio Masters and you can then enter into the Portfolio Masters website, the real website on the back end of this, which has all of their picks. It is fantastic, right? I'm not going to show you because that defeats the purpose of you purchasing the key and then it kind of devalues it for everyone else. But what we are going to do today is I'm going to show you one of their picks that they've just shown up today on Telegram. I'm going to show you how they researched it. I'm going to do my own research. Then we're going to buy it. And then I'm going to put it into my own spreadsheet. I'm going to show you my performance with Portfolio Masters since I joined this about 3 months ago. Okay, this is my tracking of my coins. So these are the ones I've purchased. I have gotten rid of the names of them on the left because I don't want to give away any alpha that's not been paid for, and that's not right. But you can see my narratives are down on this side. Let me zoom in a bit. You can also see the performance I've had from them, and I've put down my profit take. So I have AI, Proof of Work, DePIN, ZK, GameFi. I have a lot of GameFi tokens, Layer 1s, Real World Assets, DeFi, Oracles. I just got a Carbon one yesterday, which is about, usually I put, like you can see here, I'm putting my investment amount here. Total investment is usually $200 to $500 worth of investment for the token. Then on the top here, we've actually hooked this up to CoinGecko, so I can actually see this minute by minute, second by second. It's very useful, actually. Crypto Winner made it for me. He's a saint, right? So we can see here the current value of my total investment for some of them is in the red, right? Some of them have been absolutely shocking. This one is now $4. I put in $100. That one didn't do very well, right? But this is the risk of DeFi, okay? Other ones, for example, this one here, I will not give the name. It's DePIN project. I put in $100 and it's already sitting at $260, right? So my ROI, if I sold, is 160%. I've taken profit also. I've sold $100 out of this one, but my current value is 232. So I'm actually up 37% ROI on this one because I've been taking profit as well, because they will flash up. Portfolio Masters will flash up when they sell. Sometimes I follow their call as well because they sell on a big pump. Then of course there's a retracement after a big pump. This one, I put in 200, is up to $440 and it's already taken profit of $107. So we're 173% up, right, on that. Again, here, $500 in. So they're going pretty well overall. We have had some pretty big winners. This one, 322, that's a 3x on my position with this one. That's a 2.6x on this one, right? So it balances out. But if we take everything on and off, I've invested $7,500 with Portfolio Masters. And so far my coins are sitting at $7,085 and my profit taken out is $1,000, okay? So what does that mean? That means I still have $7,000 worth of value inside of 38 right, picks from their portfolio of 50, okay? Now, all ranging between $100 to $200 buy-ins, and now some of them are up in the 200s, some of them are down under $100, right? That's the way it works. I'm a big boy. I can deal with my risk, right? But that means I still have 7 grand sitting here. If we get a 10x from the market, then we are up to 70,000. If we get one of these coins just hits 100x, then we are already just exploding. I expect in the next 3 to 6 months to 12 months that this portfolio is going to absolutely destroy everyone else's portfolio, right? Because I've been patient. I've been buying dips on tokens when they're totally in the red, and I think that they have intrinsic value. I continue to purchase more. $10 in, $50 in, just adding up, slowly adding into my stack of high risk but mid cap, low cap ones that can really explode. You can also see over here, I've put down where to purchase these tokens. Some are on DeFi, some are on Mexi, some are on TradeOgre, right? And then I also have the metrics of, how are they doing the 30-day? How are they doing in the 24-hour? The last 30 days for these coins has been absolutely brutal. You can see almost all of them are down about 30%. Before this, they were all green, right? So it's been a bad month for alts because Bitcoin has been meandering around, right? And that's what happens when Bitcoin stops and dumps. Everything else dumps more, right? But that's when you have to be brave. And Portfolio Masters did put out a little announcement earlier, a couple of weeks ago, saying, you need to, take a step back, see the bigger picture, look at the macro, don't look at the micro, and decide if there are any projects that you believe in that you want to go in for, right? And that's exactly what I've been doing. So let's check out their newest announcement that they just put out today, and we're gonna leak it. They're not gonna like me for this, but this is what's happening. Okay, so they do this a lot, right? We've had a bunch of them recently. Let's show their workflow. So they have a subscription channel that you only get if you join their Telegram. Here we have, this came out just today. It says they bought 430 coins of Hopper for $400. It's a mid-term play. They link it to CoinGecko, right? So then we head over to Hopper and we start doing our own research. This is the 1 year on Hopper. We see it has had a pretty flat line, a massive pump, and then it is dumped all the way down below, almost coming back to its pre-pump, right? Which for me is kind of bullish if it does have a good use case. Its market cap is 736, $41 million market cap. You can purchase it on, you come down here, you can see you can purchase it on Mexi, which is probably where I'm going to buy it today, right? Now we can kind of get into more nitty gritty. We can think, okay, but how do I learn more about this coin? Don't worry, Portfolio Masters have got you covered, right? They do a quick dive. Hopper Protocol Overview, an innovative registered project that essential and compliant network level metadata privacy outside the world of DeFi. They have positives and concerns. The market correction in the past months provides a great entry point. Yes, it does. The funding from notable investments like Binance Labs, listing on Coinbase, enhancing exposure to American investors, transparent team. They are doxed and registered in Switzerland. The token utilities include using Hopper tokens to send data via the Hopper network, staking and locking Hopper tokens in nodes to relay and cover traffic, voting on decisions from technical settings to board composition. About 80% of the tokens are unlocked, so the emissions will slowly be stopping now and the full supply will be out there, with the remaining 20% scheduled for future release. Usually this is a concern, but it is likely that the bull run will offset the sell pressure. Next unlocks are on June 27 and August 27, 2024. Then they have one concern, which is regulatory challenges. Despite the transparency of the team and company registration, the sector may face increased regulatory scrutiny given that metadata privacy is not regulated in DeFi. And then they will do a deep dive later on. The deep dives are then put into their Discord. The deep dives are put onto their Telegram. You can read through that and then really decide if this is a coin for you. And, you know me. Am I in it for the tech? Not really. I'm in it for the X's, the pumps. Respect the pump. This is the kind of coin I'm looking at. I'm like, okay, this looks great because it's dumped so much, right? If something's dumped so much, it cannot continue dumping to zero because people are holding this and staking it. It has value. So therefore, I'm pretty happy to come. You can come check out their website. I haven't looked at it yet. We're building a private internet for everyone is what they're talking about, right? And the Swiss Alps, beautiful. Yeah, fantastic. Achilles heel of Web3, transport, layer 3 privacy. Okay, so they have a problem. They're trying to solve a solution. And this, solid project? Yes, I think so. So then I think, okay, I'm going to buy this. So like I said, it says here to go to Mexi. Then I come to Mexi. We check if the money that I sent has arrived. Good. We then come to, so this is my Mexi account, which I'm using with Portfolio Masters. So about $4,000 worth of the coins that I purchased with Portfolio Masters are actually in Mexi. A lot of them are listed here, okay? I know using a SEX is risky, but I think at the beginning of a bull run, it's okay to hold your funds here. Just near the middle of it, start taking them off, because always the worst time to hold anything in the central exchange is during the end of a bull run. Yeah, you just get absolutely crushed. So we come to markets, right? And we want to buy this coin. We're gonna buy the coin. We come and we look for the coin. What's it called? Hopper. We buy the Hopper. It's here, down 5% today. Fantastic. Then we have $200. Yes, we have 200 USDT. We want to buy it, so we're going to spend $200. Boom. And we buy Hopper. Boom, bing, boom, done. So if you are interested, like I said, join us in Portfolio Masters. They also did a voice chat just yesterday, hour-long voice chat where they talked about many things. They gave a lot of information. They have proof of past. This is a little sneak peek of their website, right? You have all the coins on the left-hand side, and then they go through them all, right, showing you what they're all doing, right? So they really have proven successes. Their best performance have been Clore AI, Index, LCX, and Cred DeFi. Some of these I missed because they were from before I joined. Clore AI, I got a big pump on though. And we have some testimonials, video. Oh, who's that? That's me. Right, video down here, and the roadmap as well. So they are coming into Q2, so they want mining and master nodes content. Joint mining and master nodes pools will be coming in Q2 2024. And then finally in Q3 or Q4 2024, they're going to make a master index token. Yeah, they're going to release their own token as well, which is great. This is a fantastic project. Nothing Ponzi-ish about it, because you have your own choices. You make your decision. You make your bed. You lie in it with Portfolio Masters. And like I said many times, I'm so comfortable for the bull run. And I see pumps and meme coins, and I see, I see things go rocket up, and it bounces off me. In the last bull run, every single coin I was chasing, I was continuously feeling like shit because I've just missed a massive, massive pump, right? Then I start buying these tops. As soon as you buy the top on a coin, what happens? It dumps, right? And then you just lose, and then you're waiting for it to re-pump again, and some of them never did. They still haven't, right? 4 years later, I bought these coins, watching BitBoy videos, trying to follow him, but he's already pumped and he's dumping on me, right? Like this is crypto. This is what happens. What Portfolio Masters are offering is the chance for you to already be in a position in multiple mid-cap to low-cap brilliant coins with fundamental value that some of them must, by the law of averages, outperform, right, your expectations. And that's what I think is going to happen. It might not happen. The risk is always there in crypto, but I'm so comfortable in this bull run. And it's just very amazing way to be set up for what's going to be happening in the next year. Peace. Crypto Mischief. Be good to each other. And as always, don't get wrecked.